Hello everyone. Today we discuss the chapter heterocyclic compounds. What is heterocyclic compounds? The compounds which has at least one atom other than carbon in the rings are called heterocyclic compounds. ऐसे कंपाउंड जिनमें रिंग में कम से कम एक एटम कार्बन के अलावा हो उन्हें हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स कहते हैं। वो हेटेरो एटम क्या हो सकते हैं? मे बी नाइट्रोजन, सल्फर एंड ऑक्सीजन। द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स is based on either aromatic nature or non-aromatic nature. It means the compounds which are aromatic in nature and the compounds which are not aromatic in nature. Here there are four examples in which the first oxirane, that second one is tetrahydrofuran, in short form we say it THF, piperidine, pyrrolidine. These are non-aromatic heterocyclic compounds. The another one which we study here are furan, pyrrole, thiophene and pyridine. These are aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Their IUPAC name oxole, O for oxa and for it 5 membered रिंग के लिए ऑल, तो ऑक्जा प्लस ऑल जब मिलाया तो ऑक्जोल, ये थायोल फॉर थायोफीन है और पायरोल के लिए एजॉल है और पायरिडीन के लिए 6 मेंबर के लिए आइन लगता है तो एजाइन. These aromatic heterocyclic compounds are further classified on the number of atoms present in the ring. That means we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 members. So these are called 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. In pyridine there are total 6 atoms. That is why this is called 6-membered heterocyclic compound. In aromatic heterocyclic compound there are other examples as you see here. This is indole, this is quinoline, this is isoquinoline. This is in indole you can see that pyrrole ring is fused with benzene ring. Pyrrole ring is fused with benzene ring. That is why its name is 2,3-benzopyrrole. The numbering in indole takes place as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8, 9. This is the junction where the two ring fused. So here N is 1. In terms of nitrogen, the fuse position is 2, 3. That is why it is called 2,3-benzopyrrole. In quinoline, benzene ring is fused with pyridine ring. That's why its name is, in terms of nitrogen, the fusing point is 2, 3. So 2, 3 benzo is for benzene pyridine and it is isoquinoline. Here also numbering starts from this, the fusion, the second ring starting from the fusing point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is in terms of nitrogen, it is 3, 4 position. That's why it is called 3, 4-benzopyridine or isoquinoline. These are called fused या or condensed 5-membered heterocyclic compound, or these both quinoline and isoquinoline are called condensed 6-membered heterocyclic compound. As we say, these aromatic heterocyclic compounds are aromatic. In our previous study, we know the cyclic planar conjugated system with 4n plus 2 pi electrons are aromatic. So these all aromatic heterocyclic compounds are cyclic, planar, conjugated, and contains either 6 pi, 10 pi, 14 pi, 18 pi electrons. That is why these are all aromatic in nature. Here we take an example of furan to see the aromatic nature. As you can see, furan, this is cyclic ring. It is planar and conjugated because in furan all the carbon and oxygen atoms are sp2 hybridized. Therefore, it is planar and conjugated. Second, applying Hacker rule, which we know 4n plus 2 pi equal to. So total pi electrons here 2 pi, 2 pi, 4 pi, or one is lone pair. Because lone pair in conjugation, that is why it also form pi electrons. Lone pair, single, double. That's why lone pair also count on as pi electrons. So 2, 4 and 6. 6 pi. Pi से pi cut up, 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1, that is integer. Therefore, furan is aromatic in nature. Now, this is a resonating structures of furan. If we say earlier in the first point, furan is cyclic, planar and conjugated. If it is planar and conjugated, then these resonating structures have their existence. You can see lone pair is in conjugation with pi electrons. These pi bond turns to this carbon. That's why there is minus. And lone pair, here comes positive charge. A lone pair gives 1 electron and then sharing of 1 electron each. Then charge single double. Again, if this bond polarized, then here comes minus, here comes positive. The positive charge is satisfied by the lone pair of electrons by giving 1 and then sharing of 1 electron each. So there are total 5 resonating structures. Hence, furan may be better represented as this. Here we made a circle of delocalized 6 pi electrons because electrons are delocalized over the ring. That is why it is aromatic in nature. Next, the order of aromaticity. As we see, furan, pyrrole and thiophene. All the three are 5-membered heterocyclic compound in which heteroatom is oxygen, in which nitrogen, in which sulfur. If you can see in the inner part, there are total 6 pi electrons, 2, 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. That's why all the three are aromatic in nature. But the order of aromaticity is thiophene is more aromatic than pyrrole, and which in turn is more aromatic than furan. The explanation behind this is the resonating structure of thiophene. If we see thiophene structures have two forms. You can see there. Here, this structure resembles with pyrrole and furan. Same. And this structures is different. How can it possible? This structure formed by the using of p orbital of sulfur atom, and this structure is possible if sulfur use its d orbital, because we know sulfur is a atom of third period where 3d also exists along with 3p. That's why it can extend its octet. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are total 10 electrons in its valence shell. It is possible because it has 3d orbital. That's why its total resonating structures are 10. 5 for this and 5 for this. The more number of resonating structure, the more the aromaticity of the compound. That's why thiophene is most or more aromatic than pyrrole and furan. So what is the answer? Answer is because thiophene is a resonance hybrid of the 10 resonating structures in comparison to 5 for furan and thiophene. Furan and thiophene do both have 5 resonating structure, but thiophene has 10 resonating structures. So 5 for this from by this structure and 5 by this. Here we draw it. As you can see, the bond breaks to sulfur atom. Here is minus. Here is positive. Positive is a resonance with the double bond, charge single double. To the 3 structure. If this bond polarize, again S atom acquire negative charge, here positive, and then charge single double. So total 5. So 5 from this type of structure, 5 from this, total 10. That's why it is more aromatic than pyrrole and furan. Now pyrrole is more aromatic than furan. So the reason behind this, the electronegativity, because oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen, hence the lone pair contribution in the to form the localized molecular orbital is lesser in furan in compared to nitrogen, because nitrogen is less electronegative. That's why it bounds loosely to its lone pair. Hence its lone pair is contribute more in the formation of delocalized molecular orbital. Therefore pyrrole is more aromatic than furan. Thank you.